Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today we are going to finish the single vowel sounds. We are going to practice the third line. Okay, so here we go. The third line of the single vowel sounds. Let's warm up our mouths. Okay, so the first sound is ah. So please repeat after me. Ah. The next sound, I want you to move your lips. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, the next sound. Ah, ah. And the last one is a short sound. Oh. So please repeat after me. Ah, 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 oh. Alright, so there's small differences. Ah, 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 oh, oh. Okay, right. So let's begin. The first sound is ah. And this sound is a very difficult sound for most students because it's so big. Alright? I mean, really, it seems crazy. Why do you open your mouth so much? Okay. So, our expression is catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. So notice how big my mouth opens. Okay. Our one syllable word here is cash. Cash money. Very nice. Okay. Cash. Our two syllable word is shadow. 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 Alright? Our three syllable word here is dramatic. Dramatic. Alright. Excellent. Let's move on. The next sound is ah. Now this one is very typical for things like up, umbrella, okay? This is a nice strong sound. Alright, so please repeat after me. Well begun is half done. Well begun, begun is half done. Well begun is half done. Our one syllable word here is does. Da. So it's not does, does, does. Okay? The two syllable word here, and if you are interested, the spelling for this one is British spelling. The American spelling doesn't have the U. Okay. So, again, the pronunciation for this one is color. So it's almost like two sounds. Color. Alright? The third one is thoroughly. Thoroughly. Okay. Let's continue. The next sound. This one is ah. So the dentist tells you to open your mouth and say ah. Alright. This long sound, please. Alright. So the expression have a heart to heart. Ah. Have a heart to heart. So my heart to heart. Okay. Our one syllable word here is dance. Dance. Now please remember, this is the British pronunciation, and we will talk more about American pronunciation. But please, for now, practice these words to exercise your mouth. Later, we will talk about the differences. Okay. The two syllable word is transform. Transform. Okay. And the third syllable word is paragraph. Paragraph. Okay. The last sound is oh. And this one is honesty is the best policy. So honesty. Oh. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. The one syllable word for this one, box. The two syllable word, bottle. And the three syllable word is cauliflower. Okay? So, let's revise these. So, ah, oh, ah, oh, oh. Okay, so my lips change, the sound changes as well. Okay, so again, you know the homework I want you to do. Please take the downloadable worksheet, okay, and practice these sounds. Do the 10 times practice. 7 times slow, 3 times fast, 5 minutes, no more. And you repeat it every hour and you repeat it every day. Okay. And then next week, you can make it every second day. All right. That's it. Thank you very much. Happy studies.